Hi, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I'm Adrienne, and I hope you like the video you're about to see. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you hit the bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video, and that would be weekly. Also, feel free to share it with a friend and comment below. All right, here we go. Well, this week's project is my backsplash in the kitchen. I am very excited about this project. I've been waiting quite some time to do this. Not sure why I waited so long. It's not like I've never done backsplashes before. I just wasn't sure what I wanted here. Now, I was involved with a real estate developer. I worked for him, ran his office, and took care of his finances for over 20 years. So I've been exposed to a lot of different materials that we've used for backsplashes. And personally, I've done a lot of rehab projects and also encountered a lot. But today, I'm about to use products that I actually haven't used before. I'm looking for inexpensive, easy, and the look that I'm going for. Let's see if these products do it. Aha! This will be my first time using self-adhesive wallpaper and self-adhesive tiles. It's time to start the backsplash project. Yay, finally. Okay, first we have to clear off the counter, and then we have to prep the wall. In this particular case, the granite has unfortunately shifted a bit, so we have to remove the old adhesive. Then we need to remove all the outlet and light switch plates. Keep those screws with the plates so you don't lose them. And I'm going with something I never would have expected. Okay, let's see just how easy it is. They say it is. Here we go. I mentioned both the products I'm about to use earlier. Here's the first one. Let's see how it goes. Washable, look like grass cloth. It is so gorgeous. I was so pleased when I saw it. I put a light pencil mark on the wall to be sure that the first piece of wallpaper was straight. I actually used an app on my iPhone for the level. Hold it up. Grid pattern to follow. And of course, there's a trimming around the outlets and light switches. You will have the extra on the top and bottom that you'll have to trim off with the razor blade. And then, of course, smoothing out the paper, any bubbles that might be there. I'm using my expired AAA card. I do have a new one. So happy. Okay, that's kind of part one. I'm going to put the plates back on now. Put the outlet and switch plates back on. I think it looks lovely. Here's a close-up of the wallpaper. I just had to show you this. The quality is really impressive. The texture, it's amazing. Now, can you see the seams in these two pictures? I specifically took them where I knew there were seams. I can't see them either. Isn't that great? Here's the second product I'm about to use, the tile for the backsplash behind the stove. Let's check this out. First piece up. The backing off. There you go. Oh my gosh, how easy was that? My very old stove is actually getting replaced, as is the old microwave. I think it's as old as I am. Okay, no, not that old. Okay, so I'm done. I started the project at 7:30 this morning and it's now 9:30. It did not take me 2 hours to do this project though. I got my tools together, I did the cleanup, the prepping the surface, letting it dry, and I went at it before and now after. So what do you think? I'm telling you, behind the stove was so easy to do. I don't think it took me 15 minutes. No, it couldn't even have taken me 15 minutes. It was so easy, and I'm so pleased with it. And even the washable look like grass cloth, that was simple to install. You know, a little sticky you get kind of used to doing it, but it's really a quick learn. Line it up, you don't have to worry about the seams. They just blend with this particular pattern. It just blends. It's great. The colors all work. It was very reasonably priced, so it was quick, inexpensive, and I think it had a dramatic impact. So I had a blast doing that project. I can't believe how quickly it went and how pleased I was at the price and the quality. I just can't say enough good stuff about it. I have included the links to both the wallpaper and the tiles below in the description. And also I've included my email address down there if you have anything you'd like to write to me about. You can feel free to comment below publicly or send me an email anytime. Until next time, thank you for being here.